In this video, we will go over the activation of your new VKX. Now, let's look at the content of the box. Your VKX will come with a battery unit and its USB charging cable, mounting hardware, window stickers, and a QR code leading to instructions and support center. There are a few important things to consider when setting up your camera. Step 1 will be to charge the battery unit. Use the provided USB-A to USB-C cable to charge the battery with a standard USB charger. Plug the charging cable directly into the battery. It must be charged apart from the camera and cannot power the camera via the USB port. When the charge is completed, the LED will turn green. A 24-hour charge is recommended. You will now want to install the VOSKER app on your mobile device. You will be able to control your camera remotely for a wide variety of features and functions. You can find the app by searching VOSKER in Google Play or the App Store. The next step is to activate your camera. Open the VOSKER app and press Activate a Camera. Select the model VKX. Open the camera to locate your activation code next to the control panel. Scan the code with your phone's camera with the VOSKER app. While the camera is open, insert the fully charged battery. Turn on the camera when prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen to activate the camera. Your camera is activated and you will receive a confirmation email. The first time you turn the VKX on, the camera may take a few minutes to an hour to connect to our servers and update its firmware. The camera is ready for action when all the lights are off. We recommend testing the functionalities beforehand. Make sure your camera sends alerts to your app. Wave your hand in front of the camera. Check your app for new photos. Next, test the coverage of the location where you will be placing your camera. Turn on the camera. Off-on switch. As the camera searches for a signal, the lights will be flashing. Once the signal is stable, the lights will indicate the signal quality. 1 bar, poor signal. Change the location and press the test button to refresh the signal lights. 2 bars, fair signal. 3 to 5 bars, good signal. Find a spot where the signal is the strongest for optimal camera performance. In the app, you can adjust the settings. They will take effect when the camera syncs with the servers. You can speed up the process by pressing the test button. Customize the operation schedule when the site requires most surveillance. Turn on the deterrent light to inform people they got caught by the camera. Let the camera in standard mode send you alerts when it detects movement. Use the on-demand mode to request the camera to take photos or videos. You can also change settings instantly. The camera should be installed at a reasonable distance from the area you want to secure, between 10 to 100 feet. Make sure the solar panel is fully exposed to sunlight. Choose between the flat mounting plate or the wood screw. Install it to a sturdy surface. Screw in the long piece. Screw the round piece to your camera. Adjust the angle. A bad installation can cause detection issues. The camera should be aimed at the target to avoid backlighting and false detection caused by direct sun rays entering the motion detector. Windy conditions and moving objects in the scene will also trigger the camera. Your motion detection sensitivity is set to medium by default. You can adjust these settings under the Settings Basic settings in the app. Test your new VKX before leaving the site. Move in front of your camera and check your app to see the latest detection. View our full line of accessories available for the VKX to make your site even more safe and secure. Need help? Visit VOSKER Support for more tips and resources. Chat with an expert 24/7 in the Support tab on the VOSKER app.